Mental health awareness. Have you ever wondered how your mind stays strong even when feel heavy and uncertain? Good morning, everyone. Today, we gathered not just as students or professionals, but as a human beings who experience thoughts, emotions, and silent battles every day. Mental health awareness is not just a topic for hospitals or counselors. It is a shared responsibility that touches every corner of our lives. In our fast pace, mental well-being has become as essential as a physical health. Yet, it often remains hidden beneath smiles and laughter, unspoken but deeply felt. Many people misunderstand mental health as a sign of weakness, when in truth, it is a sign of strength to acknowledge one's struggles. To be aware of our mental health is to embrace our humanity with compassion and understanding. Studies have shown that awareness is to lead to better resilience, healthier relationship, and to improve academic and professional performance. It allows us to respond, not react, to life pressures with balance and clarity. And most importantly, it reminds us that taking care of our mind is not selfish. It is essential. Let us bring this closer to home. Imagine a student tired for a long night studying electrical circuits, yet feeling anxious about grades and family expectation. Another wakes up early to help on the farm before heading to class, hiding stress behind humor or silence. This is not isolated experiences. They are shared realities many of us quietly carry. Sometimes, a simple word of encouragement or a friendly conversation can ease the weight of an unseen burden. Mental health awareness begins in a small act of kindness and listening without judgment. It means recognizing that even the most determined mind are wired of precision and problem solving. Mental well-being fuels creativity and focus, and learning to understand your emotion. Also, you learn to design a life that functions harmoniously, just like circuits you study. Awareness transforms struggles into strength, and compassion into connection. As we conclude, let us remember, mental health awareness is more than knowledge. It is a way of living with empathy and balance. It teaches us to see beyond grades, work, or status, to value the person behind every achievement. The strongest minds are not those that never fall, but those that rise again with understanding and grace. Each of you has a power to create a culture where mental wellness is nurtured, not ignored. Talk to your peers, check on your friends, and remind them that they are never alone. Every small act of a care ripples to a greater wave of awareness and healing. When your mind is well and your ideas flow clearer, your dreams grow brighter, and your life becomes more meaningful. So, as we can start this conversation today, I invite you to open your mind and your heart to the beauty begins mentally healthy. Because in the end, awareness is not just knowledge. It is light that keeps us all connected. Thank you.